Alright, hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm with Destiny!
Okay, no.
Yeah. We're going to get dinner. We're going to get Mexican food at like my favorite Mexican place ever, so I'm so pumped. But yeah, I'm so excited. Dad looks great!
No, I don't.
She thinks she looks homeless, but I
know I look homeless, but this is every day.
No. The lighting's like so good right now. What is this, golden hour? Oh, and by the way, I'm back home in Louisiana. I don't know if I ever even mentioned that, but I'm back home and I'm so excited to be here. And I got to see my dog today, which I literally cried. Literally. Did I tell you that? I cried when I saw my dog.
Which one, Bella?
Bella. Yeah. Okay.
I'd be crying.
It is so pretty out. It's like 7 in the morning, but I just love being home. And this is my dog Gracie. Hi! Hi Gracie! And there's Bella. I love you. And this is Angel. So today is Monday. I'm about to go to the chiropractor and get my hair done. Finally! I'm so excited to get my hair done. I'm gonna get all like the brown underneath like covered up and bring it up like higher. My voice is like kind of going away, I think, from like screaming and laughing with a Destiny because we're very obnoxious when we're together, so my voice is like not all there this morning. But first I'm gonna go to Starbucks because I desperately need a cold brew like ASAP, so we're gonna go do that first. And then I really need a car wash because my car is looking hella gross. And the sun is rising and it looks so freaking beautiful. So now I'm just gonna go drive and put on some music and get going. At Starbucks. Just ordered my coffee. So excited. Got the goods. So I got a grande cold brew with toffee nut and almond milk and a nitro lid, and it is so bomb. So bomb. So now I'm going to my chiropractor appointment real quick. So pumped for that. And then my hair. Also might try to work out today. I laid out yesterday. I didn't vlog, but I did lay out. I tried to get a slight tan, so I'm a little less pale, which is nice. I just had the best chiropractor appointment ever. Like, wow, my back feels so much better. I have like a horrible scoliosis, so anytime I can get to the chiropractor is much needed. But I just got to my hair appointment. I'm a little bit early, so I'm just gonna like sit here and chill until it's time to go in. But just cannot wait to get my hair done. Like, I've been looking forward to getting my hair done for like 3 months. It's been literally like 3 months since I've had it done, which is like so ridiculous. So this is very much needed. Alright guys, so I just got back home from my hair appointment. This is my hair. I got it a lot blonder. I still had her leave like a little bit of my roots just for when they grow out so it won't look as terrible. So this is it. I love how it came out. It's like definitely like a lot more like white, which I really wanted. But yeah, I'm just about to head out and go do a little shopping with my mom. Show you guys my outfits. I'm wearing this top from Brandy. This skirt is from Princess Polly. I have on some Nike socks, Nike Air Force Ones, black scrunchie, my new bag from Shoe Dazzle that they sent me. And yeah, so I'm about to head out real quick and go run some errands with my mom. And yeah, I'm so excited. It's such a beautiful day today too. And I feel like I need a second coffee or maybe a peach green tea lemonade, story of my life. So maybe we'll go grab that. At my favorite store in the world. Okay, so I just got back home. I changed into like some comfy clothes. I'm about to hit a workout real quick and then maybe sit by the pool while the sun is still out. It's really nice outside right now. And it's like, I think 80 degrees, which I love it. But guys, my hair is so much blonder now and I just love it. I love being blonde. It's like an addiction. All right, so I'm gonna go hit the gym. Hey, Bella. You having fun in the pool? What is that? You have got to go away ASAP. Alright, hi guys. I look like a tomato. I just got done laying out. So, I haven't vlogged since like Monday or Tuesday, and it's now Friday. I had like a surgery done like on a molar that was acting like a wisdom tooth. It like wouldn't come down, so they removed it. So I did not vlog that day because I was so out of it. And then I went and worked at my grandparents' restaurant and helped them out. And with the whole virus thing, like nobody's allowed to actually come in, so like everything had to be like picked up at the door. So that was very interesting. I mean, I was washing my hands so crazily and wearing gloves. But yeah, I was supposed to go back to Tennessee today, but I decided to stay an extra day here because of this whole virus thing. And it's supposed to be like bad weather and stuff, so I really didn't want to drive in that, so I stayed an extra day. My face is like still kind of swollen on this side, and it hurts really bad. But I have all my stuff packed. I'm gonna leave out like 6 or 7 in the morning and to go back to Nashville, and then I might try to like do a workout this afternoon. Last night I got home and ate an entire pineapple pizza by myself and watched Stuck in the Suburbs on Disney Plus because like I just love that movie so much. I don't know if you guys like it, but like that is my movie. I love it. So yeah, I just thought I'd get on here and update you guys of what's going on right now. I'm about to go make something to eat for lunch and maybe watch the Lizzie McGuire movie now. I don't know. We'll see. Hi guys, so I'm now back in Nashville. I just got back and I have to do a little bit of unpacking and stuff, but I drove such a long drive. I'm ready to go to sleep. Just wanted to update you guys, say that I was like back home. My face is still kind of swollen right here and it really hurts bad. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I got this new tray. My mom got this for me. Just put it on my little coffee table and put like the remote, candle, and some coasters in it. And I think it's so cute, so I wanted to show you guys that. It's also mirrored on the inside, which is super cute. I really need to water my plant. These type of plants really need a lot of sunlight and it has not been sunny here. It's raining, so I really don't know what to do because I want to keep it alive. If you guys have any tips on how to keep these type of plants like super healthy, please let me know because I really don't want this plant to die on me. I think it's like the most beautiful plant ever, but I know it needs some sunlight and hopefully tomorrow will be sunny. I really need to like put all of this laundry away, but I'm being lazy. But I wanted to show you guys what I had got from All Darling. This is my favorite store ever. It's in Louisiana. They literally have the best stuff in the world. And right now it's like such an important time to really shop local. So check out their stuff. They have like an online site too, or you could go in store in Mandeville. But I'll show you guys the shirt that I bought. Okay, so this is the shirt that I had picked up from All Darling. It just says Guardian Angel on it. I just think this shirt is so freaking cool. It's oversized a little bit. I feel like I could also add like a turtleneck underneath this and that would be really cool. And then I think like maybe a ton of like gold jewelry like layered with this and like one of those like 90s shoulder bags. That would look just so cool with this. Yeah, so definitely be sure to check them out. Their Instagram is bomb. All their stuff is amazing. I love it so much. And the stuff comes in like the cutest little like reusable bags, which I absolutely freaking love. But I really need to go put all my laundry away right now, guys. I really need to. So I'm gonna go and try to get the rest of my unpacking done, get everything back organized. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day doing whatever you're doing. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.